Ain't no saddle on my back now. There ain't no name you can drag now. I ride solo, booze laced, heart broke but I kept pace. You ain't rode no fence, you did rode your mouth. Talking big on me in this one-horse town. You had your fun, I had my doubts. Now I'm up and you're played out. Whiskey neat, I sip on pride. Learn real love, don't never hide. You through dirt, I planted roots. Now my name grow out in snakeskin boots. If you wasn't there when the tank was low, you can ride with me when I'm on the road. You ain't hold a wheel through that hell of smoke. Now you wanna slide when the money got bold. I don't miss you text. I don't do no guess who flex. You ghost to me, now I own success. Keep your hate stranger, I ain't impressed.